Hello students, today we are studying about the regulation of cardiac activity or regulation of heartbeat. Okay, do you know what there is a cardiac center is located in brain, means that is located in medulla oblongata, means that cardiac center from the brain that is responsible for increases or decreases the rate of heartbeat. This medulla oblongata belongs to nervous system, means cardiac activities get controlled by the nervous control, means nervous system. Okay, nervous system as well as endocrine system, these two systems are concerned to regulate the cardiac activity or heartbeat. Okay, here first of all we study about the nervous control. In nervous system there is a central nervous system, autonomous nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Three types of nervous systems are there. But amongst these three type of nervous system, autonomous nervous system is concerned to increases or decreases the rate of heartbeat. What happens here? In nervous system there are two centers are there. One is cardio accelerator center that is responsible for increases the rate of heartbeat. Second one is cardio inhibitory center that is responsible for decreases the rate of heartbeat. How this cardio accelerator center increases the rate of heartbeat? From sympathetic nervous system, from autonomous nervous system having the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems are there. Impulses from sympathetic nervous system, means impulses from cardiac center sends to the SA node present in heart, sends to the SA node present in heart. Sympathetic nervous system carries the impulses to the SA node, and there is an heartbeat get increases by secreting the adrenaline. By secreting the adrenaline. Whenever adrenaline secreted by the sympathetic nervous system, then SA node gets stimulated, then the heartbeat get increases. Second one is cardio inhibitory center. Increased heartbeat get decreased by cardio inhibitory center. The impulses from cardiac center sends toward the SA node via branch of vagus nerve and parasympathetic nervous system. Vagus nerve and parasympathetic nervous system that is concerned with to decreases the heartbeat by secreting acetylcholine. Adrenaline increases rate of heartbeat. Whenever the heartbeat increases, cardiac output increases. Acetylcholine decreases rate of heartbeat. Heartbeat decreases, cardiac output decreases. In this way, nervous system is responsible for to control the heartbeat. Now there is a chemical control, means hormones are also responsible for increases the cardiac activity. Adrenaline, noradrenaline, these are the two types of hormones secreted by adrenal cortex, adrenal medulla. And whenever the adrenaline secretes, heartbeat increases. Noradrenaline secretes, heartbeat increases. And thyroxine hormone is also there, that is secreted by thyroid gland, that is also responsible for to increases the rate of heartbeat. Whenever the thyroxine secretes, rate of heartbeat increases. These hormones are also responsible for increases the rate of heartbeat, and the nervous system also having the cardio accelerator center responsible for increases heartbeat, cardio inhibitory center responsible for heartbeat decreases. In this way there is a regulation of heartbeat takes place in human body. Thank you.